Ang susunod na kalahok, pasok! Murillo, ang John Wick ng Quezon City! Tell them all, whoever comes, whoever it is, I kiss them all.
Hello?
Yeah!
Di ba bida si John Wick? Bakit parang kontrabida? Oh, ay! Ja.
Only sa Showtime lang mga si John Wick ay naka-ting-ting-tang.
Madlang people contest sa number 2, Dennis Murillo.
Sandali lang ha.
Bakit?
Dali lang yung pencil niya
Bakit
daw.
yung baril mo electric pan?
Kaya nga, tsaka kutsilyo mo lapis.
Tsaka kutsilyo mo lang.
Oh, yes. Wait. He don't know how to speak Tagalog.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
wait to interview.
English.
Oh, John Wick ba to? May sakit siya. Weak lang talaga. Ang bagal kumilos eh.
So, John, how's life after death?
Oh, boy yan!
Buhay na buhay siya.
So, John, how's Marcia?
My life is
What?
job of my life. Yeah.
Hindi Ryan Rems yan. John Wick.
So, yeah.
Alam mo nangyari kanina, backstage?
Oh.
Eto, tsaka si Rupa may nag-inuman.
English? We're English.
Yeah, English. You have any question?
Can you talk to her?
Can you talk to him?
Talk to him.
Yeah, I teach him the Bahay Kubo
Oh, you know the Bahay Kubo song?
Yeah.
How do you sing it? How do you sing it?
Can you sing?
Can you say?
Bahay Kubo kahit hi later. Practicing first.
Where's my gun?
We'll practice first.
Where's my gun?
Where's your gun?
Your gun?
Your gun?
It's go gun.
It's already
Parang
gone.
nakakatakot si
Yeah,
John.
it's
Here's your gun.
No more
Yeah.
go gun.
What's this about?
Gun pala. Gun.
Gun.
Kala ko yung gun na
Turbo.
G-O-N.
Yes.
Lots of guns.
Gun G-U-N pala.
What?
Sir,
What?
again, sir?
Your
I
chop.
love you,
Your
Philippines!
Excuse me, Mr. John, where's your dog?
Yeah.
My dog is... She's in sleep right now.
Oh, wow.
Forever?
Right now.
Sleep right now. Oh, sleeping. Oh, it's already afternoon.
Yeah. Afternoon
Siesta.
nap.
Siesta.
Yes,
Do you
nap
have-
time.
So, John, do you have an upcoming movie?
Yeah. Upcoming
Baka
movie.
susuka pa doon. Gumulong-gulong kasi. Oo, gumulong eh. Ikaw pala bang gumulong doon eh.
I promote my latest movie.
Can you speak louder, sir?
The title is...
Excuse me, you have subtitle? Okay.
Jet lag pa ata kasi galing pa ibang bansa.
Yes.
Eh.
The title of the movie
Is...
Yeah.
The title is Wait a minute. Oh. Yeah. Can you spell? Can you
John,
spell
what-
yeah? What the title?
How do you
Can
spell yeah?
Capital Y.
Why?
Why? And then?
Yun lang. Bakit? In Tagalog, bakit?
Why?
Why?
Why? Okay.
Sir,
E.
May
Ah,
kasunod
may
pa
pahabol.
pala.
Why?
Natakot ako. Natakot ako.
And of course, capital H, Hilario. Hilario.
Yeah. Di pala why? Yeah.
Yeah.
Ibang klase si Sir John, no?
What is the pencil all about?
The pencil.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
My choco is in the...
Your Chaco.
Choco.
Tagalog.
Nunchucks.
But sir, we...
For now, my weapon is small pencil.
Small pa yan?
Small.
Where's the large one? You have?
You have...
If I'll come back.
If you come back. The large ones like that? That ball, like pencil? Oh.
As Sir John, we are happy to...
Are you happy? Are you happy?
we are happy to say this
Not
to you.
all, ha? Not all.
We found your dog already.
Really?
Yeah.
Your dog?
What's the name of your dog?
Not.
Nothing.
What?
You're nothing.
Nothing daw.
John Wick 2, 3. There is no name.
No, but your original dog is here. Chow Chow, come here.
Really?
Chow Chow. Hey.
This is your pet.
Yeah.
His name is Malu. Pet Malu.
From vinegar to pet Malu.
Yeah. Can you talk to your
Si Master.
master?
Daisy. Si Daisy kasi ang pangalan ng pet.
Yung bigay
Daisy.
ng Y.
Oo. Daisy the Beagle.
Daisy ng tahanan.
Can you jump? Jump?
Daisy Tomas.
Sakit sa tuhod nun.
Grabe.
Ang sakit sa tuhod nun jump niya.
Can you backflip?
What?
Backflip daw.
Pinahirapan pa sila.
Teach her about rollover. Rollover. Teach her.
Rolling like what?
Rollover. Show it.
Kanina aso lang yan. Ba't ngayon Gollum na?
Show it the rollover.
1, 2, 3.
Rollover. How about Daisy?
Good job, sir.
Lassie.
How about the Chow Chow?
How about?
Let's go,
Daisy.
Daisy. Let's go, Daisy.
Oh, Carlos Yulo. Oh, wow. It's difficult.
Yeah.
One more. Good job.
Good job.
Nag-Scooby-Doo.
Grabe ang tamblingan nila. Pasado kaya sa madla ang ating contestant number 2. Go, Ate MC and Lassie.
Lagare. Lagare.
Ayan, tingnan natin kung nagustuhan ba ng ating madlang people. Kaya naman, madlang people, kaloka o kaloka like!
Tara. Harap tayo. Ito.
Hi! Oh, mukha siyang Japanese, no?
Stand up,
Can you stand
Japanese.
up? Ay, mother! Mother!
Oy.
Kala ko si Jan Lapus.
Oo nga, no? Kamukha niya, no?
Ano
Sweet.
pangalan mo?
Hindi, ito. Kayo po. Ano pangalan niyo?
Kayo po.
Kayo po.
Mark.
O, hindi niyo ba nakakilala yan?
Sino?
Scientist yan.
Sino to?
Si Albert Einstein.
Si Einstein pala.
Akala ko si Graham Bell.
Si Einstein pala, pink ang lips.
Ayan. Ano nga pinili mo pala kanina? Kaloka o kaloka-like?
Kaloka.
Kaloka.
Kaloka, bakit kaloka? Sa tingin mo?
Tuwang-tuwa ako kasi sa kanya.
Kaloka pero tuwa ka?
Game na game pa rin siya, oh.
Hindi, actually, masaya ako dahil sa performance niya.
Pero yung itsura?
Sa itsura, medyo malayo alanganin tayo doon.
Oy,
Napanood mo ba yung John Wick?
Oo, napanood ko.
talaga?
Napanood ko naman.
Kamukha niya.
Hindi
Hindi talaga.
Hindi talaga.
Gusto ko.
Sir Mark, wait lang ah. what can you say about Sir Mark, his comment to you? He said you don't look like
John Wick.
John Wick.
Oo, you're
I said
kaloka.
to Sir Mike, I love you.
Alam mo, gusto
Naku,
ko.
mukhang may mabubuo pang relasyon.
Ano ba yan? Batalo ka, may premyo ka.
Kaya naman, back to you guys.
Ngayon naman, ay pakinggan na natin kung ano masabi nila. Jurado Jugs and Teddy.
What's up,
What's up,
Madam
people?
Hello.
All right. We have to speak in English because it's Sir John Wick.
Yeah, of course.
Yes. Sir John Wick. Yes.
Yeah. That
First
is,
of all, Sir John Wick, kind of like almost there, but not quite.
Not
but it's
quite.
okay because he's always in character, right?
yeah.
That's very important lesson number 1.
Grabe kayo, John Wick kaya.
Bakit? Oh.
Tingnan mo rito.
Patingin.
Ano?
Ayan o, John Wick.
Pag nakatalikod, talikod ka.
Talikod ka, pakita mo sa kanila.
Pakita mo. Oh, yes.
Diba?
Ang galing. Saktong-sakto.
Sakto. Just in case di ka maka next round, pwede ka ba mag Ryan Rems, ha?
Yeah, rock and roll.
Okay, pwede rin Joey Pepe Smith. Pwede
Joey
rin.
Pepe Smith.
Rock and roll.
So, rock and roll, pare. Rock and roll.
Maraming
Good job, good
salamat,
job.
Jurado Jukes and Teddy. Mga Jurado, maaari nyo nang ibigay ang inyong hatol kay Dennis Marilao, ang John Wick ng Quezon City.